This is Open Up Our Eyes in the key of G, and it has a change in the bridge. Fourth line, we are not alone, we are not alone. It's supposed to be C, G, E minor, D. And that's the only difference, and this is the fourth line. And this is has a weird syncopation, so I'll try to play it, sing it best I can. I'll need more practice. Greater is the one who's in us. Greater is the one who calls our name. He will never fail. Stronger is the one within us. Stronger is the one who fights for us. He will never fail. He will never fail. For your love, endures forever. Oh, your love endures forever. Open up your eyes, surround us with your light. Your love endures forever. Instrumental. Mighty is the one who's for us. Mighty is the one who's strong to save. He will make a way. You will make a way. For your love endures forever. Oh, your love endures forever. Open up our eyes, surround us with your light. Your love endures forever. Bridge. Our God is fighting for us always. Our God is fighting for us all. Our God is fighting for us always. We are not alone. We are not alone. Yeah. Our God is fighting for us always. Our God is fighting for us all. Our God is fighting for us always. We are not alone. We are not alone. Tag it. We are not alone. We are not alone. For your love endures forever. Oh, your love endures forever. Open up our eyes, surround us with your light. Your love endures forever. Bread. Our God is fighting for us always. Our God is fighting for us all. Our God is fighting for us always. We are not alone. We are not alone. Tag. We are not alone. We are not alone. That was a little shaky. It's a strum pattern I'm not used to, so. And just be prepared. We might change the ending. We might not go back into the bridge. Might just end it on the chorus doing a cappella or something. Okay, thank you.